In today's video, we're going to complete a table and graph a proportional relationship. So if we have a problem like this that says use the equation to complete the table and then graph the equation. So here's the equation, here's our table, and then here's the graph that we're going to plot, okay? So the first step, and there's a few steps, so make sure you listen to them all. Use the equation to complete the table in order to find each value of y. So we're going to complete the table. Okay, so y is equal to 2x minus 4. So here we're going to put 3 in for x, right? So here's our x and we put in x here. So now 2 times 3 minus 4 equals 2. And we just continue doing that. So now we multiply, we put 4 in for x here, and we have 2 times 4 minus 4 equals 4. Next thing we do is we put 5 in for x. Okay, we put 5 in here, and it becomes 2 times 5 minus 4 equals 6. And finally, we put in 6 for x, and we calculate it out. 2 times 6 minus 4 equals 8. Now we can graph the xy pairs. Okay, we have our xy pairs now. So our first xy pair is 3, 2. So we go along the x-axis to 3 and go up along the y to 2. And this is the spot. Now we do the next point. The next point is 4, 4. So we go along the x till we hit 4, and we go up on the y until we hit 4, and that's the spot there. Then we go to 5, 6. X is 5, y is 6. We go along the x-axis till we hit 5 and go up the y-axis till we hit 6, and that's our spot there. And finally, 6, 8. 6 is the x, y is 8. So we move along the x-axis till we hit 6, and then we go up until we hit 8 on the y, and that's our spot here, 6, 8. So now we can draw the line that passes through all the points, and that's going to look like this. There's the line that passes through all the points. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. And if you need more help, you could take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos that I've done that are similar. As well, don't forget to download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.